AI-generated ASMR is blowing up the internet. Here's how these oddly satisfying, face-free videos are going viral and making creators rich. Traditionally, ASMR content was about creators using real props and microphones to trigger that deeply relaxing sensation. But now, with the rise of advanced AI, you don't even need a camera, a studio, or any props at all. AI can generate visuals and sounds so realistic that most viewers can't even tell the difference. And the best part is, anyone can do it from anywhere in the world. The video that inspired today's commentary is a step-by-step guide on how to create these viral AI ASMR videos without needing access to Google Veo 3, which, as many of you know, is region-locked and not available to everyone. The creator's mission was to find a workflow that's accessible, free, and produces results that are just as good, if not better, than what you'd get with Veo Tres. So whether you're an experienced YouTuber looking to jump on the latest trend, or a total beginner with zero editing experience, I'm going to walk you through how you can make these videos, the tools you'll need, the creative hacks that make your content stand out, and why this trend is exploding right now. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you need for AI-generated ASMR is a great prompt. This is where your creativity really comes into play. The video recommends starting with a clear object and color like apple red color or banana yellow color, but it goes way deeper than that. You want to be specific, describing not just the object, but also its texture, the lighting, and the action you want to see. For example, you might write, "A glossy red apple being sliced cleanly with a sharp knife. Droplets of juice sparkling under soft studio lights." The more detail you give, the better the AI's output will be. To make this process even easier, I recommend using a custom GPT model called Make ASMR Images and Prompts. This tool not only helps you write the perfect prompt, but also generates an image ID, streamlining the workflow so you can move quickly from idea to finished product. You just type in your object and desired color, and the GPT spits out a detailed prompt ready for the next step. Now, while ChatGPT can generate prompts and even basic images, it's not always the best for the kind of high-quality visuals that make ASMR videos go viral. That's where Leonardo AI comes in. Leonardo AI is highlighted in the video as the top text-to-image tool for this workflow, and after seeing the results, I totally get why. You go to Leonardo AI, select the Lucid Realism model, which is optimized for generating realistic, high-detail images, and set your aspect ratio depending on where you want to post. 9:16 for TikTok, 16:9 for YouTube. You paste in your prompt, and Leonardo creates the image. The results are stunning. Crisp, photorealistic images of objects like apples, bananas, or glass fruit, all ready to be animated. You can easily switch formats and objects, and Leonardo handles the changes seamlessly. The flexibility and quality make it the go-to tool for this stage of the process. With your images ready, it's time to bring them to life, and this is where things get really cool. Another tool I would recommend using is Kling AI, also spelled Kling AI, which is a cutting-edge image-to-video generator. Kling AI is praised for its ability to turn static images into dynamic animated videos with built-in sound effects, just like those viral ASMR clips made with Google Veo 3. The workflow is straightforward. You upload your image to Kling AI, write a short, clear description of the action you want, like cutting an apple with a static camera, and use DeepSeek, an AI prompt enhancer, to rewrite your description for maximum clarity and effectiveness. Double-check the AI-generated prompt to make sure it matches your vision, because Kling AI is literal and follows instructions exactly. Once you're happy, you click Generate and let Kling AI work its magic. The result is a short, visually stunning ASMR video, complete with satisfying sound effects. If the audio isn't quite right, you can regenerate it with a single click. Kling AI supports both TikTok and YouTube formats, so you can optimize your content for any platform. Let's talk about one of the most underrated secrets to mastering AI video creation: experimentation. Yeah, the tools are powerful, no doubt, but they're also brutally literal. AI follows your prompt exactly, sometimes to a fault. So if your first video comes out weird or just doesn't hit the mark, Don't freak out. That's totally normal. What matters is how you respond. This is your creative lab, and trial and error is part of the game. Maybe the visuals feel off. Maybe the vibe just isn't what you imagined. No problem. Go back, adjust your prompt, get more specific, or even switch up the aspect ratio. Regenerate it and see what happens. One small tweak can completely transform the result. And here's the best part. It's quick, flexible, and usually free. That means you're not burning money or hours every time you experiment. You're building skills and learning how to speak the AI's language more fluently. Think of it this way. Every failed output is just a step closer to the one that blows your mind and potentially goes viral. The creators who are crushing it with AI content right now, they're not the ones who nailed it on the first try. They're the ones who kept tweaking, testing, and pushing the limits until their style clicked. So don't just make one video and stop. Keep refining. Play with tone, timing, visuals. Make it a habit to iterate, because the more you mess with these tools, the better your intuition becomes. You'll start to know exactly what kind of prompt creates what kind of output. And once you've got that dialed in, you're unstoppable. This is your creative playground. Own it. What's so revolutionary about this workflow, prompt engineering, image generation with Leonardo AI, and video creation with Kling AI is that it democratizes ASMR content creation. You don't need expensive equipment, filming skills, or editing software. Anyone with an internet connection can create professional ASMR videos. Unlike Google Veo 3, these tools are available worldwide, breaking down geographic barriers. You control every aspect of the video, from object and color to action and sound, enabling endless creative possibilities. The process is quick. You can go from idea to finished video in under an hour, making it easy to produce content consistently. And the monetization potential is huge. Viral ASMR videos rack up millions of views, and with YouTube Shorts and TikTok monetization, the earning potential is off the charts. All right, let's break down some seriously practical tips to help your AI-generated ASMR videos stand out in a sea of content. First off, focus on those ultra-satisfying actions. We're talking slicing, cutting, pouring, crushing, the kind of stuff that makes people stop scrolling and watch on repeat. These are the classic ASMR triggers for a reason. They hit that sweet spot between visual pleasure and auditory bliss. Creators who master AI tools now will have a massive head start as the next wave of content innovation hits. Whether you're making ASMR for relaxation, entertainment, or just to explore the possibilities of AI, the time to start is now. If you found this commentary helpful, let me know in the comments what objects or ASMR triggers you want to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the world of AI-powered content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.